Blma CT15 CNC press brake with 6+1 axis. Machine body using a thin steel plate with high strength and tempered treatment. CT15 controller. Schneider Electrics. High precision punch and die. Automatic crowning table. Fast clamping. CT15 Cyberlike Side Touch 15 PSR-D Graphic CNC System. Use Schneider Electrics with high reliability and performance. We offer a wide range of tooling options tailored to meet the diverse bending requirements of our customers. Blma Pole CNC crowning. 4-axis automatic back brake. Axis automatic back brake. Main motor, ABB motor. Finger grating ruler. High precision stop finger. Movable front support. Main motor, ABB motor. High repeat positioning accuracy, high stability, low noise. Blma has selected the renowned German brand Rexos valves for our hydraulic system, which is distinguished by its high efficiency and low failure rate. Finger grating ruler. Let's check the bending effect together.